Yo, hello guys, my name is Justus and I'm here today to introduce to you that I'm going to turn on the paid membership feature on my channel, and there's a blue button this side written join. Just click that button, join our paid membership subscription. It's very cheap, just help us donate just 5 Namibian dollars per month. Please guys, help us and let us grow this channel. And whenever we are going to live stream, if you are a member on our channel, whenever we are live streaming, you are going to use cool features like super stickers, cool emojis, everything. We are going to provide everything for you guys whenever you join this paid membership. Just 5 Namibian dollars guys to join. It's very cheap. Thank you guys, I love you all.